Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to tell you a story, The Selfish Giant. Once upon a time there was a huge castle situated in the middle of a city. Everyone used to tell that a giant used to live there. So the people never saw a giant lived there and thought it was a rumor. But they had their doubts cause they saw a garden of the castle which was maintained very good. So all the children of the town used to play in that garden. One of their favorite game was to go after the birds and the butterflies. So they used to play like this every day, and one day the giant returned to the castle and saw these children playing there. So the giant went inside the castle and fell asleep. So he wanted to live alone. He was disturbed by the noises of the children. So he went out angrily and shouted at the children. All the children were scared and they left the castle and went back to their homes. So the giant fell asleep again. So the children thought he was gone and they entered the garden again and started playing. So the giant again listened to these noises and woke up and again shouted angrily towards them and told them not to come here and this is my garden. No one is allowed to enjoy it except me. So he builds higher walls to the castle so that the children don't come in. So the winter approached. He observed that the branches of the trees were falling down. So he thought that after the spring comes, everything will be set right and his garden will blossom again. Winter came and all the flowers and the leaves of his garden dried up completely and it was very worse. So even after the spring came back, his garden didn't blossom again. He was very sad because his garden was dry and it didn't blossom even in winter. One day the children had sneaked into his garden. The giant saw them from the window and again went out angrily. So as he was approaching towards them, everyone ran out of the garden, but one of them was hiding behind a tree and crying. It was a little boy. So the little boy requested the giant not to kill him and he will never come back. The giant said he wouldn't kill anyone and he isn't bad. So the giant keeps the little boy on the branch of the tree. The little boy laughs and the giant feels very happy about it. The giant allows the children to play in his garden. So as the children were playing, after some days his garden will blossom again and it gets full of flowers, butterflies and birds and everyone will be happily ever after. The giant understands that the real beauty of the garden isn't the flowers and the butterflies, but it is the children playing in it.